Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own Christmas video in CapCut. So instead of creating from scratch, here I'm going to just use templates. You can do it both on mobile and also on CapCut desktop like this. So you can just head into templates right here and you can just search for Christmas at the search column, or on a category you also found the category that says Christmas. As you guys can see, there are lots of templates in here. You can just choose which one and add your own photo or your family photo like this. For example, I'm going to use this one. So download the template first, and after that you can replace the photo inside the template with your own. Okay, so the template is added into the timeline. You can just click on this buttons right here, one clip to be replaced, and then you can just click on the replace icon and choose your photo from your gallery. So for example, I'm going to just use this photos right here. You can click on open. Now the photo is replaced, and here's the final result. You can now just download or export the results, and your Christmas video is done. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.